Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I have found the most perfect bedside lamps for my guest bedroom. These totally sweet and understated lamps from ONEWISH were exactly what I needed. We needed lamps that could fit inside the cabinetry of our Murphy bed, so we really couldn't have lamps that were too big. These are just the right size. I am such a fan of the simple styling of these lamps, from the creamy white color to the frosted glass tulip style light bulb housing. I was really glad that these lamps came with their own light bulbs, so they were totally ready for me to use as soon as I got them. I've always liked lamps that touch on and touch off, and that's exactly what these lamps are. They have 3 different levels of brightness that I simply have to touch them to toggle through them. The petite size of these lamps by no means impacts the amount of brightness that they can give off. They light up our guest room perfectly and create this really cozy and welcoming atmosphere. These darling little lamps have been the perfect addition for our guest bedroom. And that's my point of view.